What's up, guys? Mr. Green here with some more Cooking Mama, and today we're making some mochi, which is kind of like a Japanese dessert, and it's made with rice, and it's kind of crazy. You'll see here in a minute. You're going to see a little thing where we're going to use a hammer to make the rice. So let's dump our rice in. All right, put the lid on top, turn it on, make sure we turn it off at the right time. Good. You don't want to burn rice. Really hard to clean out of the pot afterwards too. You don't want to do that. Here comes the fun part. This is where you have to pound the rice and mold it. So we're going to pound, and then the other person molds it. And I'm pretty sure it's during a Japanese ceremony called Mochi Suki. And during that, they make the mochi. And the interesting thing is, they go really fast. I'm talking about like really quick. Good job. Here, I'll even do the Cookie Mama pose. Oh, you did so good, yeah. Alright, time to roll it out. So we're going to grab, roll, and put it down. I tell you, let's do a squat when we put it down so we get a little extra exercise. There we go. Roll it out, squat. Last one. Good job. Mochi is really quick to make on the game, but I have a feeling it takes a lot more in real life. Finally, we have to roll it in the flavoring. So we're just going to go in the direction. Right, left, right, left. All right, you know what? Just do a little two-step. Just do a little two-step. Tap your toe back. That's all we're going to do. We're making a lot of these. You can even add a little flavor to it. You can add, that's the green tea. I think this is like some kind of strawberry flavoring. Oh yeah. Then we got the chocolate. Yeah, there we go. Alright, there's our mochi. This one's a little more simple, so it's kind of like a warm-up prior to us doing our next meal. Alright, let's decorate. I'll put this mochi here. And, oh, we got to make sure it's even. So here's a chocolate, and we're going to put a strawberry. And then we're going to put some real fruit on here to match. Love some strawberries. Very good for you. Blueberries too. Let's put in, yeah. Good. Now we gotta take our picture. That looks like a fancy, so here we go. Get ready. Oh, no, it's off center. Move it. Perfect. We can post this on Insta, Chatgram, TikTok, book. Something like that, right? Alright, jump. Good job! We are Cook Star with Mochi. Now, we're gonna make a Lamb Gyro. Okay? Yeah, it looks like gyro, but the way you pronounce it is gyro. So if you ever want to know how to pronounce that, gyro. Alright, we got to get our ingredients. So we have to get, we already have flour in there. So we're going to dump our olive oil. Let's pick up, dump the sugar. Oh, you got to have salt for taste. A little bit of water so don't go dry. And dump the yeast, which is used to make bread. It helps it grow. Interesting. Good job. All right, here we go. Oh, these are always fun. So left, right, duck, jump, duck, right, jump, duck, turn around, left, duck, duck. That's always like really hard. And when I'm playing that game, I go quick with it. I try to slow down that time. All right, you got your roller. Let's roll out our dough. We go really quick. All right, flip it around. Make it even. There we go. All right. We got our dough. Pretty sure we're making pita bread. Very nice, flat, crispy dough, fluffy dough, I should say. All right, let's put it in the oven. There we go. Turn it up. All right. Better get ready to turn it off. Good job. Nice and crispy. We didn't burn that one. Oh, you did so good. I always mess up on lettuce, but we're just going to keep doing this. Even though Mr. Green pulls way too hard and knocks the lettuce off. We're doing this to stretch our arms. So just pull back. And my floor is making all kinds of noise. There we go. Good. Do the mama pose. You can copy what she does too on the screen, guys. Oh, my favorite. Chopping time. Onion. Oh, wait, you have slice. Slice. Now we gotta take the skin off the onion. That's a lot of skin. Yeah. Now, chop, 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 chop. And let's put that into our bowl. Good. What else we got? Oh, we got tomato. Ooh, 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 ooh. Super chop. And then we got lettuce. Chop, 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 chop. Good job. Oh yeah, we can do our little... By the way, I got the cooking hat on. Gives you +3 to cooking. Awesome. More chopping. We'll go with a little rhythm. Yeah. Got it. That's our lamb. So we're about to put it all together. So now we got to put all that food we just prepped and put it in our pita bread. Oh, go to the right. Go back to the middle. To the right. Stay here. Back over. To the right. To the left. Back to the middle. Left. Just follow the pita. Or I should say, follow the gyro. Ooh, almost juked me there. Ooh. Whoa. This gets a little crazy. Oh, that was easy. They made it easy on us. Looks good. I'd eat it. I like to eat food. Our gyro. And I like to add tzatziki sauce. We can add zug and hot sauce, but we're going to add some tzatziki sauce. Yeah. Now we got to plate it. This looks like it would be in a diner. Okay. Let's get our picture for our Insta Tick Chatgram book space.com. All right. Good job. Now we're going to do our jumps. 8 jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job, guys. So we just made a Japanese mochi and a lamb gyro. Not sure of the exact origin. European, maybe? I'm not sure. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed Cooking Mama, give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below if you want to see more Cooking Mama. I do plan on releasing more of these on Thursdays. So, have a great day and remember to keep moving, and I'll catch you in the next video.